Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Genesis GV70 Sport in Vic Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 5,000 miles on the odometer, 14-inch touchscreen, navigation, panoramic sunroof, power hands-free liftgate with auto open, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 906528.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.